On this edition of the Protein Pack series, we're going to play with the Bumblebee Chipotle, 14 grams of protein. I was sitting around thinking, what do I want to do with that one? Then I remembered that I have these avocado, cilantro, lime Triscuits hiding in my cabinet. I went, let me do a salsa with them. So, get her opened up here. Oh, you can smell the smoky of that Chipotle. Quick taste test. All the smoke of that Chipotle comes through with a tiny little bite on the very back end. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm putting this into our bowl. I had a little bit of tomato left, so I went ahead and got that pre-diced. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Then I've got some red onion that I had sitting around. So I'm gonna get this diced up real fast. And then of course, have to have some jalapenos. Thought this up last minute, so I didn't run to the store, but I do have some dried cilantro that I'm gonna put on here. Give it a little sprinkle of that. And then a tiny little squirt of bottled lime. Just a little bloop, 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 bloop. Make sure I get a little bit of everything here. The tuna, the onion, the jalapeno, and the tomato. There we go. That is everything that I hoped for and more. That is amazing. And using some leftovers I had, things around the house. Quick little meal or snack, under $3. These protein packs are amazing and there's so much you can do with them. I created an entire list of ideas for every brand and every flavor. You can find the link for that freebie down in the description. And for more of this protein pack series, check out this playlist. And I'll see you in the next one.